Yes, sir. Calling all dads that's willing to be slaves today. Calling all husbands that's willing to obey today. Look, y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there, the mothers' mothers, and the mothers of mothers. And if you mothering others, happy Mother's Day to you. All right, y'all. Look, I got made some flowers. I'm broke now. So you know all I can do is come up in this kitchen. She say she wants steak. She got steak. She say she want potatoes. We got potatoes. She want corn on the cob. Corn is on the cob, y'all. Look, we making steaks today. Good, delicious steaks. Big steaks, y'all. Get right with me. Come on. Happy Mother's Day. We get right into it. I'll show you how to do it. Come on. Oh man, goddamn. Oh man, goddamn. We making shrimp skewers too. Black tiger shrimp, beef kielbasa. Love y'all. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, shrimp skewers with the beef kielbasa on there. We got ribeye steak over here. We got the super big ribeye with the super big bone. We call it a tomahawk, but it's just a ribeye with a bone. You know what I'm talking about? Come on, y'all. One more time. About to get right into it. Show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, y'all. We got the big tomahawk steak, and we got 2 ribeyes. So we gonna make us a nice amount of seasoning real quick. Got some kosher salt. I'm probably gonna need more than that. Kosher suds. Not kosher suds. Kosher salt. Onion powder. Throw that up in there. Going wild with the seasonings, y'all. We don't need no exotics, but we going wild with them. Garlic powder. Mess around and use all of it. Black pepper. You got some hickory brown sugar kinders. We'll mix that up. Mix that joint up real good, y'all. This looks like it's only gonna cover our tomahawk. So if this only cover our tomahawk, then we gonna just make some more up. I'll see how easy it was. Boom. That's that. Light work. You grab the steaks. We're gonna trim them joints up. We're gonna see if we got enough seasoning. Oh yeah. Here we go. Let's go. My first time cooking the tomahawk on the channel, y'all. I know y'all be watching everybody else do it. It's my turn now. Look, even that joint out real quick. You got a little curve right there. Don't dip into it though, y'all. Don't. You just wanted to even it out. I don't know if y'all can see that. Did y'all see that? Y'all buckle out a little bit. We're gonna keep that there. Just don't dig in. But I'm not trying to dig in. We just going straight down. See that? Boom, bow. Right now, the other side. The other side is good. We don't really need to trim none of that off. Maybe I'll do a little bit. Huh? Just a little bit, huh? A little bit off of here, y'all. Trying to dig into my baby, you know. We wanted to hold together. That thing unravel on you. You cook it for a certain amount of time. We're going to reverse sear ours, y'all. We're going to throw our smoker up to 400, 375. You hear me? We're going to open that smoke box. We'll put that thing over that hot fire. 2 minutes on each side. Then we going to smoke her. Then we going to smoke her up to, I eat mine medium, y'all. We ain't going well done, but we going up the medium, y'all. Nice and slow. Rolling nice and slow. All right, y'all. That's about it for the trimming. Don't need to mess with nothing else. Just gonna cover everything else up with the seasoning. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. You could throw on whatever you want to throw on there. I don't care if it's soy sauce, mustard, whatever fancy. You mean whatever? Yo, whatever you want to do, you do. All right. I'm gonna throw some Worcestershire on there and make sure it's shook up. All right, boom. Just to bind the seasonings to it, y'all. That's it. To get our seasonings to stick on the thing, to stick nice. That Worcestershire add that good flavor to your steak every time, y'all. You can't go wrong with the Worcestershire. Can't go wrong. All right, slide this to the side. Okay, boom, bow. Make sure we get that thing nice and wet. Oh yeah, boom. Now, y'all see that thing flopping around like that? I tie it with the butcher twine. Don't think I won't. But once it's stiffened up, it should stay on there just fine, y'all. All right, we gonna go cover like a magazine, a cover. You hear me? We won't see no more meat. Completely cover on all sides, y'all. Even the inside. No, I ain't gonna do the inside. That's too much, y'all. I'm doing too much. But I feel like I should. I don't know why. I ain't gonna sit it back down on this side. I'm gonna just hold her up. She trying to flop around on your boy. That thing. Now I got my pan over here, right, y'all? I'm gonna grab my pan because I don't want this side to get wet. put it on my pan, then we're gonna do the other side, right? There you go. And of course, any seasoning you wanna use, like I said, you use. But you make sure you cover that thing. Don't let it, I mean, my tomahawk thick, my baby thick. I don't know how thick y'all's is, but I mean, pack it on there real nice. All right, we looking good, y'all. We gonna head outside to get the smoker lit up. Most definitely. I'm gonna speed y'all through the ribeyes, because all we gonna do is season the ribeyes with this the same way we just did this. But I figure this be the most exciting part, so yeah, y'all don't need to see that part. I see y'all outside at the smoker. Yes, sir. Get it back. Okay, boom. Y'all see what we working with. These black tiger shrimp. It was frozen. I did not go and fish them out the lake myself, river, lake, wherever they come from. Yes, black tiger shrimp. We gonna get these peels off, get the sausages cut up, and get them on the skewers, the 2 shackets. This the sausage we using. I'm probably not gonna have enough. I'm gonna try to cut them in smaller pieces. You know your boy likes stuff chunky, but look, should have got more. Some of them it's not going, I don't think it's gonna, I think we're gonna have leftover shrimp, so we might just have some kebabs or some skewers with just shrimp on it. You can use any sausage you want. We don't eat no pork. We using kibasi. This is fully cooked. That's it. Let's chop it up. So we won't have to cook the skewer that long. First thing hitting the grill is the tomahawk, y'all. That gotta cook longest. And like I said, we're gonna turn the grill up real high at first, so nothing but the tomahawk won't be on there at first. All right. Slice this down. Feel like I'm cutting too big, y'all. We gotta go through them without them breaking now. Yeah, we definitely, maybe. All right, put these in the bowl. We're gonna sit our shrimp and some lemon juice and garlic puree. Oh yeah, let's do it. Okay, y'all, you see? We got the sausages, the black tiger shrimps. We only had 1 extra shrimp. Everything else was perfect. You see the extra shrimp right there. But yeah, to the smoker. Everything else is about ready to come off almost. Come on, y'all. Let's go see. I'm shooting up fast, y'all. Steak. Same thing. Potatoes, steak. Up, y'all. You feel me? Let it rest. Bring that joint up at 142, 143. Spin these back to the slow side. See our shrimp? Yeah, we rolling. Okay, y'all. We got some butter, lemon juice, and garlic puree in here. Alright. These joints off the smoker. I'll hit them right with this. That thing just gonna trickle down. Oh man. Won't even gotta do nothing. Let them have it. There you go. Shrimp, kielbasa, skewers. Come on, y'all. Quality check. You feel me? I already ate one. Look. Quality check. Pop it. I'm hungry too. Got this one. All right, y'all. Moment of truth. Yo. I do it as well as any other. Come on, y'all. Stay against that bone. Right up against that. Hold on, let me slice it through it now. Slicing through it. Ooh, is it going around? Like it's going around there, y'all. Trying to make sure. Here we go. Ooh, we gonna be looking at something nice. Something nice, y'all. There. Ooh, let's see what we got. Y'all, that joint to a nice medium, y'all. It's buttery. Little one. This thing smells so good. Look at that. Come on now. To the plate we go. Boom bow, y'all. There's the plate. Y'all see the plate. Y'all see how we rock. If you don't like rare, cool. Sit your plate in the oven for 10 minutes. It's a difference of 10-15 degrees. You feel me? It's all good. It's all good. That's how I like mine. You can have yours how you like yours. But I'm telling you, the flavors is there. The flavors is there, y'all. The flavors is there. We're gonna eat. I already showed y'all what them tasted like. Hey, listen. They showed y'all what the steak tasted like. We was eating it together. Come on now. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Thank y'all very much for watching. And subscribe. And like. I'ma see you on the next one. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Let me not forget to give y'all what you really came for. That's just garlic and butter, y'all. Garlic and butter, y'all. Garlic and butter. Goes on everything, y'all. We want them sticks up off our kebabs. Just slide it in right over. Just like that. I think I can get the whole drink. Well, there you go. Peace out.